Oh my god, she looked up speed dating questions. You had that idea for me and you said it was stupid. You say lemons, don't you smile?
What do you consider your best attributes?
I like my hair, color, and my eyes.
They're all like physical things? Are you
Oh,
best
I thought that's what you're supposed to list. I thought that's what attributes were. Hi, I'm Maddie. The best thing about me is I'm a ginger and I have no soul.
Well, I mean, that's good. That
Welcome back. We look like crap.
I have literally done nothing all day because it snowed.
Yeah, snow update. Roads are horrible. It took me 45 minutes for a 10-minute drive.
And we got 6 inches of snow.
It was really bad. I was
Plus,
at work.
so far. And that's just as of this evening. So
I was actually okay until I got on the back roads, and then the highways were horrible. So if you're in the North Missouri, like by the river,
anywhere in Kansas City was bad today, I heard. So
because
oh shoot.
okay, you know what Grace's best joke is? It's not really a joke, but she catches me off guard all the time. She goes, "You know what time it is?"
Steamroller time!
Oh! No! No! You're ripping my hair! Ow! I think you just retore my ACL! You're done. And then
What was that?
I just went over the boundaries. No. Beep, 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 beep.
I didn't know that needed to be filtered, but okay.
Oh my god, she looked up speed dating questions. You had that idea for me and you said it was stupid.
Get up.
She's like, oh! Oh.
Okay,
I just ate. I think I'm gonna puke.
here you go. What best describes your personality?
Auburn?
So you're dark?
It's my favorite color. Oh,
I didn't say what's
burgundy.
your favorite
Burgundy.
color. I said what color best describes your personality?
Yellow. Because when you say lemons, don't you smile? When I say lemons, I smile.
I'm just gonna get you a bag of lemons for Christmas.
I don't know, because think about it though. And look at me, like you take a lemon and it's sour, so you're always like.
I don't normally eat lemons.
So when you eat a lemon, it makes you smile. So like lemons.
Oh, okay, next. When in my life do I eat a lemon?
I have lemons all the time upstairs. Not that I like actively peel and eat.
Well, that's what you sound like. You're
But-
sitting up there eating lemons going.
Okay, well, that's why.
Okay. What do you consider your best attributes?
I like my hair, color, and my eyes.
They're all like physical things? Are you
Oh,
best
I thought that's what you're supposed to list. I thought that's what attributes were. Hi, I'm Maddie. The best thing about me is I'm a ginger and I have no soul.
Well, I mean, that's good that you like your hair,
I
but
thought that's what attributes
like my
were.
best attributes are that I have a huge heart and I am very
Oh.
loving.
Well, I like to make people laugh.
It's true.
We'll
And
put
you're
that
very
there.
outgoing. And easy.
And I like
to-
lemons.
You need to open every vlog now.
Hi, I'm
My name's
Maddie.
Maddie.
Welcome to the Maddie and Grace show, and we like lemons.
You like lemons.
Do that thing with your eyes.
What would you take with you to a desert island? Deserted
My
island.
camera.
That's it?
My phone, like my
You're
house.
gonna sit there and like.
Can I have
with-
anything
just
I
with your-
want? Lemons.
I guess. You're gonna sit there with your camera on a deserted island, and then the next day you're gonna have no food, no clothes.
Well, I'm assuming
But a
food's
camera.
provided.
It's a deserted island. You gonna make leaves, eat bananas.
Mhm.
Maddie doesn't think these questions through. I'm going to a deserted island. What am I going to bring? My camera.
Because I gotta take pictures.
Well, that's it? Like,
Well, my
you take
laptop,
pictures
because I have to edit it, and then a portable charger, because the laptop's gonna die.
Okay, next question. That's stupid.
Stupid.
If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be?
Los Angeles. With my people.
Your people. Am I included in one of those people?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Let's go live in LA.
What makes you laugh?
What makes me laugh? Some good TikToks. And all the stupid shit I say sometimes.
Yeah, she posted one this morning about some
Amish
freaking
people?
Amish people. Literally before bed each night we sit there and scroll through TikTok.
We do. And I got her hooked on TikTok. I was always like, no, musically, no. I used to be big into Vining. And then once Vine went out, I was like, And then TikTok came out, okay.
What's the most reckless thing you've ever done?
I was a perfect child. I have nothing.
Your dog years.
I remember once that was about it. I was a good kid.
She's a boring person.
I was a good kid. My parents lucked out.
We're not gonna consider crazy reckless. I was a very
Not me.
high maintenance child.
I was perfect.
Okay. If you won the lottery, how would you spend it?
I'd buy the most expensive camera I could find because I would know it'd last my whole life. And then a house, and then a Tesla, and then everything else could go into savings.
Do you want to know what I would buy?
What? Lemons?
No. No.
Endless supply of lemons! You get a lemon, and you get a lemon, and you get a lemon.
So if I won the lottery, the
She buy
first thing
JoJo's
that I
one.
would... No, I don't know where that came from. I like JoJo, but you like
Continue.
JoJo too. So I would go and I'd first buy a house in California on the beach.
Well, yeah, that's given.
And the second thing I would do is I would buy somebody to come. Well, not like buy somebody, but like have somebody
She's
that
gonna
comes.
buy you.
Like take care of the dogs for us, like when we're like out, like doing stuff. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Like they would come, like run with
Anything
them
else?
each day, take them to the beach.
Yeah, I got it.
Why don't you explain? Give me 10 seconds. I would buy a new Jeep.
I'd buy a Jeep.
I'd buy a Jeep.
No,
A
I'd
really
buy a
nice
Tesla.
Jeep.
So it could drive itself.
And I don't think what else I would buy. There would be. I'd probably buy a boat. If we were close to the ocean.
a boat?
I have. My family used to own a boat at Lake the Ozarks.
I'm not getting in it. It's not about who's going on a boating trip with you.
Me. Who wants to go on a boating trip with me in California when I win the lottery? Anybody want to make a donation?
Why does it sound like the dog is playing basketball upstairs?
You never know.
Do you hear it?
Yep.
Listen.
It might be playing basketball. Piper! Yep, Piper's playing basketball up there. Are you ready?
Yeah. Now that I have a torn
Okay.
meniscus.
What is something you always wanted to do as a child but never got to do it?
Never got a trampoline. I always wanted a trampoline in the backyard, and they never let us have
Out
a
of
trampoline.
all things you wanted as a child, you wanted a damn trampoline.
Yeah, that's why I keep saying I need a trampoline.
Okay.
I always told my parents the first thing I'm gonna do when I have a kid is get a trampoline.
What would constitute a perfect day for you?
We'd be traveling. We'd do an amazing photo shoot with like Sunset Architect or Sunrise and Architect. We'd get crab legs. We would go
boring.
sightsee somewhere super cool and take pictures. And then it would start snowing and we'd go snowboarding. We'd come home, take a shower, eat hot chocolate, and go to bed. Boom. Make it happen.
You know what would constitute a perfect day for me?
What?
It's sunny outside, but not too hot, not too cold. We got to spend most of the day outside. We got to eat good food, and I got to hang out and watch TV.
Yours is way
later.
more simpler
Yeah.
than mine.
And take a nice bath. with a Lush bath bomb.
I saw a Vine or a TikTok the other day, and someone put a Lush bath bomb in the toilet.
That's a waste of bath bomb.
Waste $10, literally flushing your money down the toilet.
What do you think we need to work on the most in our relationship? Sorry, keep yawning. Communication when we get angry.
Yeah.
We
don't
just
fight, but we're like...
Back and forth. No.
And then like 2 seconds later, we're like, oh, I love you. You're...
What would be a fun hobby to take up together?
Yodeling. Yodeling.
Sometimes I wonder what goes through your head. Okay, I think. How did we make each other smile this week? We just spend time with each other a lot more.
We say
recently.
stupid crap, and half the time.
That and then like literally like vlogging every day has forced us. Not
To
that we
sit
don't
down.
normally, but we sit down and spend more time with each other.
Well, we fight over what we're gonna vlog, and then we vlog and have fun, and then after we edit together.
Then we're just.
Well, I
happy.
edit. She
Yeah.
sits there.
Well.
That's it. She's
Goodbye.
mad, we
She
can't
won't let me
continue.
continue.
We'll finish tomorrow.
Life gives you
Woo.
lemons. Drop it, Maddie.
Like, subscribe. Remember,
Don't
lemons make
subscribe.
you smile.
I know, just keep watching our videos. I'm just kidding. We got lots of subscribers. Ah! Don't hurt me.
Bye, guys.